How to get new app users on Temu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. If you guys want to gain new app users on Temu, you will actually need to use your referral link. For that, head over to your Temu. On your Temu, what you'll need to do is head over to the U page. First, make sure that you're logged in into your account as well. Then after you're here, you might find the invite option. So let's head over to the settings if you don't find it. And from here, you should be able to find share this app option. You can copy the link, copy your referral link. Make sure that you find the referral link or code, whichever is fine. Then after you do that, you can then share it strategically. For that, you can share through various channels like messaging apps like Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, or even social medias. You can even email some people. So after doing that, whenever people click the link and they go through with the app, you have basically added a new app user. And yeah, that's the only way you can make it more engaging by putting it out in the media. You can use user experience. You can also use welcome offers. So yeah, you can use attractive welcome offers and such as gifts, coupons, or discounts, and whatever you use, it's all to just pull people from your link. And that's the way you can get new app users on Temu, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.